literary piece assigned to us is poem titled Bernays Greenheart Travel. This poem comes from Brunei and it talks about the beauty of nature and culture found there. Before we start our presentation po, let me introduce myself and my group mates. Ayan. Um, So I am Princess Leyland Dichopo and together with me are Mr. Cruzat Joseph and Mr. Montalvo Janleo. So before we start presenting our literary piece, we pre we prepare some icebreaker to break the ice and sana po ay maki-participate po ang everyone. We called ma wait lang. Pabalik po sa next. Ayan. So, So we call these two peaks one country, ASEAN edition. Um, pa next, pa next, yan. Um, so we will show you two pictures and you have to guess the ASEAN country in it represents. For example po, dito sa picture na to, makikita po nyo sa screen nyo yung Mayon Volcano and the jeepney. So, ano po kayang sagot dito? Makikitaas po ng ayan. So, Mr. Clark, ano po kayang tamang sagot?
The Philippines po.
Let's see kung tama po ang sagot nyo. Ayan, so tumama ka dahil dyan may masigabong palakpakan ka. So, next pa next. Ayan, so makikita po natin yung girl, makikita po natin si Nano from, nalimutan ko, saan nga gagaling to? From the girl from nowhere. Tama ba ako? Yun ata yun. So, ayan, saan kayang country galing si Nano? Sige, Miss Diana.
Thailand po.
Let's see if tama po ang sagot nyo. Ayan, tumama ka. Alright. Sige po, pa next. Ayan. So, yan, makikita nyo po kilala nyo po ba yan, si Sumala? Saan po kayang country galing si Sumala? Ayan, walang nagtataas ng kamay. Ayan, si Mr. Arnada po.
Indonesia.
Ayan, sige, tama. Hindi pa pala sige po, tama po yun. Pa next slide po. Sige po, Mr. Dote.
Vietnam yata po. Vietnam.
Kasi po kung tama po ang sagot nyo. Ayan, tama. Tumama ka dyan. Dahil dyan may tama ka. Pa-next na po pa-next slide po. Ayan. So, hindi pa po pala last to. So, ano po kaya tamang sagot dito? Ayan. Miss Maria.
Singapore.
Yan. Patingin pa. Next slide po kung tama ang sagot. Ayan, tumama ka. Ang galing mo. Ayan, last na po yan. Last na item na po yan. Ano po kayang, may makikita po kayo green heart. Saang country po kaya yan? Um, wala na po bang magtataas ng ayan si Mr. Caleb po.
Brunei po.
Tama po, tama. Ayun lang po, sana po na-break natin yung ice. Okay, magpo-proceed na po kami sa aming presentation. So, um, let's begin po our discussion. So, as you can see po, ang na-assign po sa aming poem ay ang na-assign po sa aming literary piece ay from Brunei po, which is the Bernays Green Heart Trouble. Makikibasa nga po ng poem. Sino po kayang pwedeng mag-volunteer to ayan, si Miss ano na lang po, Maria.
Borneo's Green Heart Travel, a gem of nation, an abode of peace, a treasure of empire, a heaven of tranquility, a kingdom of treasures, an oasis of modern empire, a space of warmth greeting, a den of hospitable people, a neoclassical form of politics, a gateway to beyond comforts and avenue of understanding, an environment of treasures, an ancient sultanate kingdom, and indeed conquering Brunei Darussalam.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbasa sa ating poem. Um, next po, yan. So about the author po, for the author po of the poem, the writer is not explicitly credited po, which means hindi po nakasulat kung sino mismo ang gumawa. This is because the poem serves as a form of national or collective expression, meaning hindi lang ito para sa isang tao but it's more likely the voice of one nation na nagpapakita ng love and pagpapahalaga sa environment and culture of Borneo. So instead of focusing on one author, the poem represents the voice of many people who share the same pride and appreciation for their land. Next na po.
About the literary piece naman po. So, Borneo Green Heart Travel title po. Then, the genre po is descriptive poetry and travel literacy. So, it shows na nag-shows po ito ng pagpapahalaga at pag-iingat sa kanilang komunidad. Then, ayon po dito sa sa pag nung na-discover daw po itong Borneo Green Heart Travel po is nung nakaraan 2008 pa po. It is published written around late 2000, some is cited around 2008 po. And context shows Brunei as Borneo's Green Heart, rich nature and culture po.
Content summary. Borneo's Green Heart is a celebratory description of Brunei, focusing on its natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere. Ang Brunei ay tinatawag na Borneo's Green Heart. Nakilala ang Brunei dahil sa pagkakaroon ng nagagandang rainforest, mga malilinis na ilog at para sa maganda at malinis na hardin. At and in the, and it reminds us that Brunei is important not just for its nature but also for the harmony and calm life. The piece portrays Brunei as a kingdom of treasures, highlighting its lush rainforests, rich resources, and the hospitable nature of its people. Tinatawag din itong Kingdom of Treasures because it has many special and valuable things. Ang Brunei ay may malaking gubat at madaming hayop ang naninirahan ng payapa. Mayaman din ang Brunei sa mga resources gaya ng oil at gas. But the best treasure is the people who are very kind and friendly to others. Pinapakita dito na hindi lang mayaman ang Brunei sa kalikasan kundi pati rin sa mga tao. It also touches on the country's unique identity as an ancient sultanate kingdom dahil matagal na itong pinamumunuan ng mga sultan at pinahahalagan pa rin nila ang tradisyon at kultura. And tinatawag din itong abode of peace dahil tahimik, ligtas at nagkakaisa ang mga tao dito.
So, dito na po key themes and symbols. For the key themes and symbols of the poem Bernayo's Green Heart Travel, as you can see, we focus on three main ideas: environmentalism, peace and tranquility, and national pride and identity. First, environmentalism. The poem talks about the forests, rivers, and natural beauty of Borneo. It shows the importance of protecting and preserving the nature, which reflects ASEAN's shared value of caring for the environment and promoting sustainable development. Second is peace and tranquility. Um, the way the poem describes the environment gives us a feeling of calmness and harmony. Parang pinapakita na Borneo is a peaceful sanctuary. This this reflects ASEAN's goal of uh, building a peaceful and harmonious community among its member countries. Lastly is the national pride and identity. The poem reflects the pride of the people sa kanilang land, culture, and traditions. Um, it shows unity and the strong identity of the nation, which is also connected to ASEAN's emphasis on respecting and celebrating cultural diversity. So overall, the poem's not just about travel, but also about valuing nature, peace, and culture. Values that are strongly connected to ASEAN traditions and society.
Cultural and historical significance. So reflects ASEAN values its unity, peace, and respect for the culture. For unity, pinapakita dun sa poem na may parang isang malaking pamilya ng mga bansa sa ASEAN na nagtutulungan at nagsusuportahan. Kahit hindi direktang binanggit ang paglarawan sa Brunei bilang isang abode of peace ay nagpapahiwatig ng positibong relasyon nito sa mga katatag bansa. Then, for sa kapayapaan naman po is, ang Brunei naman po ay nagpapakita bilang isang lugar kung saan payapa at masaya ang pamumuhay, walang gulo. Ito ay makikita sa patilalang abode of peace, heaven of tranquility, and space of warmth. And showing for respect for culture is naman po is ang pagpapahalaga sa kultura ay makikita sa paglalarawan dun po sa poem, Ancient Sultanate Kingdom at neoclassical form of politics ng mga Brunei po. Ipinakita din po dito na pinapahalaga nila ang kanilang tradisyon at kasaysayan. And second nun po is promote ecotourism and environmental care po. So, pinakita din po sa tula na ang ganda ng kalikasan ng Brunei tulad ng mga kagubatan, ilog at mga wildlife dito is para mag-enjoy ang mga turista habang natututo silang pangalagaan ito. At ang mga barilan tulad ng Environment of Treasures at Kingdom of Treasures ay nagpapahiwatig na mahalaga ang kalikasan sa Brunei. Hinihikayat din nito na lahat na protektahan ang kalikasan para manatili itong malinis at ligtas. Sa ganitong paraan sa ganitong paraan parehong makikinabang ang tao at kapaligiran.
Critical analysis, dual purpose, national promotion and literature. Ibig sabihin po nito, pinapakita nito ang kagandahan at yaman ng Brunei para makilala ng iba't ibang bansa. Kasabay nito, pwede nito ng literature o panitikan kasi gamit ang tula na-express ang culture at ideas ng mga tao. Sa ganitong paraan, mapapahalagahan ang bansa at ang sining ng pagsulat. Sunod po ay idealization of nature and tradition, means showing nature and traditions in a very beautiful and special way. It tells us to love the forest, rivers, and animals, and also to respect old customs and culture. This helps people see the country as peaceful and rich in heritage. Next po ay juxtaposition of old and new. In the poem Borneo's Greenheart Travel, juxtaposition is shown by putting side by side the beauty of nature and the experience of travel. Pinapakita dito ang green forest, river, and culture ng Borneo together with idea of tourism and journey. By placing these images together, the poet highlights the contrast na Borneo is not only a modern travel destination but also a rich home of nature and traditions. This contrast makes the readers appreciate both sides more, the natural treasures and the cultural experience. So the juxtaposition in the poem emphasizes that true travel in Borneo is not just about visiting places, but also about valuing its environment and heritage. Next po. Connection to ASEAN. Still relevant today for environmental protection and cultural pride. It is still relevant today because Brunei helps protect nature and the environment. Hanggang ngayon, inaalagaan pa din ng mga kagubatan at hayop para mapanatiling ligtas hanggang sa kinabukasan. Brunei also shows cultural pride by keeping its traditions and history. Paalala na din ito sa mga tao na mahalin ang kanilang bansa at talagaan ang kalikasan at kultura. Promotes ASEAN unity through shared heritage and sustainable development. It helps ASEAN countries become united by sharing the same heritage and working together. Heritage means the stories, traditions, and culture that show who we are as one family of nations. Inaalagaan din ng Brunei at iba pang bansa sa Asia ang kalikasan at maayos na paggamit ng yaman na tinatawag na sustainable development. Sa ganitong paraan, they build friendship and make life better for everyone.
For the conclusion po, the poems highlight Brunei's peace, culture, and nature as treasures of ASEAN. Um, it reminds us how important it is to protect the environment kasi nature is part of our identity and heritage. At the same time, it also inspires cultural pride na dapat natin ipagmalaki ang traditions and values na meron tayo. And additional po, this is not connected in the poem, but as a takeaway, we can also apply the same ideas here in the Philippines. We can protect our environment by practicing sustainability, like uh, reducing waste, planting trees, and preserving our natural resources. We can also show our rich culture to other countries through our festivals, traditions, and Filipino hospitality. And to assure tourists that they are safe here in the Philippines, we must promote peace or order and unity in our communities. So overall, the poem connects environmental awareness with national and cultural pride. Makikinext po. Pa-next pa po. Ayun. So, that's how we conclude our presentation po. We hope you learned something, and that's all po. Thank you.
Okay, so thank